So today I'm transforming into Loren Grey. That rhymed. Now my hair looks a bit crazy at the moment, but that's because these like curly bits, I've left them, I've not brushed them out yet, and they will drop throughout the video. So I've gone for this space bun kind of style, and she usually has like a bit of like a fringe out, and yeah. So yeah, I'm going to just pretty much be doing my makeup and showing you how I do that, and you'll see why I'm transforming into Loren Grey when you see my video on Sunday. And without further ado, let's just get into the video and get into transforming into Loren. I've watched her like everyday makeup routine before, so I am going to be starting with eyebrows. I'm also sick, so if my voice sounds really deep or something, that's why. So she's blonde and I'm not, so I'm just gonna lightly like almost outline my eyebrows just so that they're not too dark. I usually just use an eyeshadow, so I'm going to be taking, and I use like this little tiny eyeliner type brush. I'm going to be taking, she also has them quite warm, so I'm going to be taking this colour here. I think that's pretty much all I'm going to do, so you can, hopefully you'll be able to tell the difference between the two brows. Then now I'm going to start by priming my eyes with a bit of concealer. Use this one to like carve the eyebrows out slash prime my eyelids. I'm just going to be taking this like blending brush and a bit of powder and setting my eyelids. Like a queen. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, you better bow down on your knees. Can I get a yes, your majesty? I've never worn my hair like this before, so let me know if you like it. Now, Loren doesn't really do much eyeshadow. She pretty much does like a transition color, like this one here or that one, doesn't really matter. They're pretty much the same. That one's more yellow, this one's more pink. Yeah, that's pretty much all she does, and she just puts that in her crease. Now she just does some winged eyeliner, which might take me a while. That'll do. I'm going to do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done my eyeliner and they look completely different. But anyway, this is just how it's gonna have to be, you know? So now I'm going to be sticking some eyelashes on. And I've got these ones I've used like multiple times before. And these are the Ardell Faux Mink 811. These ones have like a bit of a flare. So I've got my lash glue here. I need to get my tweezers here. One. DJ Khaled. While they dry, I think I'm going to start on my face. So I'm going to be starting out by using a moisturizer. This one has SPF, which is great to protect your skin from the sun, to keep you from aging badly. Brush. This one's an Eco Tools one. I actually just sat out and ate my breakfast this morning in the sun and I got a few freckles. Next thing I'm going to do is this BB cream, and I know Lauren's probably a full coverage queen, but I don't have full coverage foundation, so I'm going to use this BB cream. And I feel like it dries too fast when I try to blend it in, so I usually mix it with some coconut oil, which I have down here. Anyways, I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to put that in the places I need it. Under my eyes too. She has a very matte face all the time, so I'm going to take some powder. I use the Coty Airspun if you're wondering, which gives flashback if you're wondering, which probably means I have something to protect your skin from the sun, which is great. By taking this little brush and doing my under eyes first. And I'm going to then powder my nose because that's where I get greasy. And then I'm going to take this bigger brush and set my whole face. Just now for her face, I feel like she doesn't do much. Like if you look on her Instagram, her bronzer is very light. So a little bit of bronzer on my cheeks. And a little bit on my forehead. These have dropped a lot. My other forehead. A little tiny bit. Doesn't really contour her nose. She kind of just drags a bit of bronzer. I think that was her. I'm not quite sure. I'm just gonna do that. Just go like this. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, so I just did my blush and now I'm going to be doing a highlight. Now, Loren has very metallic, beautiful highlight all the time, so I'm going to be using this e.l.f. one because it is more metallic than my Stila one. See my cute little nose highlight? That's highlight done. Now I'm going to taking this smudge brush and the same color we used on our eyes and putting that underneath on the lower lash line. I'm going to be taking this mascara, Maybelline Lash Sensational, and putting that on to blend my eyelashes with the falsies. A little bit on my lower lashes. Loren on her lips usually has like a pinky nude, and I'm pretty sure she usually uses Velvet Teddy by MAC. So I'm just going to use the Shannon XO palette and use this colour because I think it's very similar to her lip colour. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger. Slightly too dark, so I'm going to actually put a little bit of the lighter colour on it. I'm just going to gently maybe brush them out twice. 1, 2. So yeah, this is the finished beautiful makeup look, and let me know if you think I did a good job at recreating her makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!